નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપરેશન માટે દાંતીવાડા એમસીક્યુની સિરીઝ ચાલુ કરી હતી, જેનો 23rd પાર્ટ છે પ્લાન્ટ પેથોલોજી. ફર્સ્ટ એમસીક્યુ, મોટલ લીફ ઓફ સાઇટ્રસ ઇટ ઇઝ ડ્યુ ટુ ડિફિશિયન્સી ઓફ, આનો આન્સર છે ઝીંક, બોરોન નહીં આવે. કમ્પ્લીટ સ્ટેમ પેરાસાઇટ ઓફ સાઇટ્રસ ઇઝ કુસ્કુટ્ટા સ્પીસીસ. સાઇટ્રસ ગમોસિસ ઇઝ કોઝડ બાય ફાઇટોપ્થોરા સ્પીસીસ. Citrus gummosis pathogen survive on soil as oospore. Citrus canker is transmitted through the insect vector is leaf miner. The secondary infection of citrus gummosis it is through zoospore. Citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas campestris. The gummosis disease of citrus can be identified by observing oozing of gum, vein flanking in young leaves, stem pitting on tree bark is the characteristic symptom of Citrus tristigia. Cross protection can be applied to manage Citrus tristigia. The formation of sharply delineated dry necrotic localized raised corky lesion on fruit, leaf, bark, etc. due to death of cambium is the characteristic features of citrus canker. Total destruction of citrus orchard were done in the Florida state of USA is for eradication of citrus canker. Citrus tristigia is transmitted through all of the above Tocospora species and Cuscuta species. Infected planting material or nursery stock of citrus can carry following pathogen. Answer both Xanthomonas campestris and Citrus tristigia. Xanthomonas campestris is a monotrichous type. Citrus greening is caused by bacterium is Calypsobacter asiaticum. Citrus greening is transmitted by Citrus psylla. Mango malformation is more common in northwest India. Partial stem parasite of mango is Loranthus. Malformation is caused by Fusarium moniliform. Black tip of mango is also known as chimney disease. Powdery mildew of mango is caused by Odium mangiferi. Odium mangiferi survive during off-season is dormant mycelium in malformed panicle. Vector associated with transmission of mango malformation is mite. Mango malformation causing pathogen survive as saprophytic mycelium chlamydospore produced on drying malformed panicles. A drying back of trim, the drying back of twig from tip upward particularly in order to plant or tree is the characteristic of dieback. Anthracnose of mango is caused by Gromellella cingulata. Which mango disease is caused hellwork at post-harvest loss is mango anthracnose. Spraying of NAA during blossoming stage is the one of the major practice to manage mango malformation. Coleotrichum glossipioides primarily survive in a dead leaves, defoliated branch, and a bright peduncle stem and disease string as acervuli. Dieback of mango is caused by Botryodiploidy theobromii. The airborne conidia of Oidium mangiferi is secondary infection. The major symptom of mango malformation is bunchy top seedling, floral malformation and vegetative malformation. Bacterial blight or canker is caused by Xanthomonas campestris. Powdery mildew by Odium mangiferi is ectophytic. The spraying of chelated Zn double plus 40 ppm useful for managing mango malformation. Powdery mildew of bread. Powdery mildew of bear is caused by Odium edicifoid. Odium edicifoid. Powdery mildew of bread is effectively managed by spraying of Dinocap 0.1%. Alternaria leaf spot of bear is caused by Alternaria charantarum. Dusting with sulfur powder of which of the following mesh size is very effective to manage powdery mildew disease is 300 mesh size. A powdery mildew caused by Odium iricipae is a ectophytic. Powdery mildew is a ectophytic. Panama wilt of banana is caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Fusarium oxysporum. Panama wilt of banana is which type of disease? Is a simple interest disease. Bunchy top disease of banana was introduced in India from Sri Lanka. Most of the banana diseases are disseminated into new area through sucker. Sigatoka disease of banana is caused by Cercospora muci. Banana mosaic is primarily transmitted through sucker. Moko disease of banana is caused by Ralstonia solanacearum. Bunchy top of banana virus is transmitted through Pantalonia nigronervosa. Sigatoka disease of banana effectively managed by spraying of mineral oil, linseed oil along with fungicide. Bunchy top of banana is spread by Pantalonia nigronervosa. The restricted movement of planting material of banana from Gujarat to Maharashtra or other part of country due to banana mosaic disease. Flood flooring is effective management practice in Panama wilt of banana. Fusarium wilt causing pathogens survive on soil as a chlamydospore. Domestic quarantine has been imposed against which disease of banana? It is bunchy top of banana. Asexual fruiting body containing macro or microconidia produced by Fusarium is Sporodoxia. Primary infection of Sigatoka leaf spot of banana takes place through ascospore. Acquisition of banana bunchy top virus takes place through nymph. Bioagent used in managing Panama wilt pathogen is Pseudomonas fluorescens and Trichoderma viride. Bunchy top of virus containing nuclear type. Bunchy topમાં સિંગલ સ્ટ્રાન્ડેડ DNA હોય છે. Which race of Ralstonia solanacearum is infective musa species is race 2. Discovery of Bordeaux mixture associated with downy mildew of grape. Bordeaux paste having copper sulfate 10%. Which pathogen of grape cause heavy loss to wine industry in France due to epidemics in 1875 Plasmopara viticola. Powdery mildew disease of grape is caused by Plasmopara viticola. Anthracnose disease of grapevine is also known as bird eyes disease. Grapevine infected berries and bunch become mummified due to downy mildew. Plasmopara viticola survive on infected leaf and vine. Oospore and dormant mycelium both. Malformation and cracking of bearing. Malformation and cracking of berries is a characteristic symptoms of powdery mildew. Bird eyes disease of grapevine is caused by Gloeosporium ampelophagum. Sexual fruiting body produced by powdery mildew of fungi is Clistothecia. Slightly raised oily brown spot on pomegranate leaf and fruit are produced by Xanthomonas punica. Bacterial leaf spot of pomegranate caused by Xanthomonas campestris is effectively controlled by spraying streptomycin. Xanthomonas campestris punica is survive on both infected plant part and soil. The appearance of small irregular black spot on pomegranate fruit due to infection of Cercospora punica and Xanthomonas punica. Fungicide effective to manage bacterial as well as fungus of pomegranate. Answer all of the above. Bacterial mixture, copper hydroxide and copper oxychloride. G. Fungal disease and bacterial disease બેયને control કરે. Disintegration of parenchymatous tissue at the collar region of papaya stem resulting into honeycomb appearance is the characteristic symptoms of foot rot. Pythium. Pythium ephenidermatum can operate in the soil as oospore. Papaya ring spot virus infect on papaya and cucurbit. Cross protection can be applied to manage papaya ring spot. Vein clearing, puckering, blistering or shoe stringing are the characteristic symptoms of papaya ring spot. Papaya leaf curl disease is caused by tobacco leaf curl virus. Papaya leaf curl disease is transmitted by whitefly, but according to Nemrasunda, papaya leaf curl by aphid. Papaya rim spot disease is transmitted through aphid. Papaya leaf curl, cupping of leaf occur in downward direction. Infection of Pythium species is prevalent in wet and moist weather. Foot rot of papaya is caused by Rhizoctonia solani, severe in dry and hot region, while infection of Pythium એ કોલ્ડ મોઇસ્ટ અને વેટ રિજનમાં હોય, જ્યારે રાઇઝોક્ટોનિયા સોલાની ફૂટ રોટ છે એના ડ્રાય અને હોટ વેધરમાં થાય છે. સ્ટેમ ઓફ ક્રેન્કર ઓફ guava is caused by Phycelospora cd, which guava disease forming crack and lesion along the stem is stem canker. Alternate host of guava rust is paper bark, eucalypts and bottle brush. Wilt of guava is caused by Fusarium oxysporium. Soil solarization and soil drenching are effective prophylactic measures to manage wilt. The red rust of guava is caused by Cephaloros virescens. Leaf spot of sapota is caused by Favoflerospora indica. Minute black asexual fruiting body of Glomerella cingulata produced on sapota fruit is acerulus. Leaf spot of sapota first reported from Karnataka. Flat limb of sapota caused by Vitreodiploidea theobromii. Appearance of olive green, grayish brown to metallic blacky cork lesion on apple fruit is the characteristic symbol of apple scab. Spraying of urea on fallen leaf is an effective measure to manage apple scab. Irvinia amylovora is a primary transmitted through honeybee, water and ant. Apple scab pathogen overwinter on fallen leaf as pseudothesia. For the first time, who reported that plant disease caused by bacterium T.J. Burrill. Which of the following is not a disease of apple bunchy top? Powdery mildew of apple caused by Podospera leucotrica. Irvinia amylovora has a flagella type is peritrichosis. Against which disease of apple domestic quarantine has been imposed is apple scab. Reddish brown oozing from the crack of coconut tree trunk is the characteristic symptom of stem bending. Bud rot of pathogen of coconut Phytophthora palmivora produce oospore structure. A wilt of coconut produce which spore? It produce macro and microspore. Red ring disease of coconut is caused by Rhydinophalangus cocophilus. The responsible causal organism or responsible causal agent for stem blending in coconut is Ceratocystis paradoxa. Ceratocystis paradoxa is produced which spore? It's produced ascospore. Rotting of basal tissue of leaves that can easily separate from crown is the characteristic symptoms of bud rot. The actual etiology of coconut root wilt is recently proved to be phytoplasma etiology. The disease incidence of coconut bud rot is enhanced by rain splash, oryx rhinoceros and wind. Then trunk injection and root feeding is the best method applying fungicide in coconut. Only viroid infecting monocot plant is coconut cacodon viroid. Is the only viroid infecting monocot plant is coconut cacodon viroid. In which year coffee rust was first time is reported 1968. Coffee rust was first reported in Ceylon. Hamelia vustrastrix cause which disease? Cause rust disease. Coffee rust disease caused by Hamelia vustrastrix. Coffee black rot can be effectively managed by Bordeaux mixture. Coffee rust pathogens survive and spread through uredial stage. The term choleroga means black rot. Choleroga disease of coffee caused by all of the above: Pelucalaria choleroga, Ceratobasidium noxium, and Corticium choleroga. Which rust pathogen does not form typical pustule on its host is Hamelia vustrastrix. Blister blight of tea is caused by Exobasidium vexan. The disease caused by algae in tea is known as red rust. Disease caused by algae in tea is red rust. Red rust disease in tea and many fruit tree crops is caused by algae. Exobasidium vexan is perpetuate on infected bushes. The appearance of yellowish white circular spot on concave surface of upper side and convex surface on underside of tea leaves is the characteristic feature of blister blight. The appearance of yellow reddish brown rough circular patches on the upper surface of leaves and green leaves is a typical symptom of red rust. Both primary and secondary infection of Exobasidium vexan take place through Basidospore. Which stage is more susceptible to blight disease in cumin? Is fruiting stage is more susceptible to blight. Which variety of cumin resistance against which is Gujarat cumin chard? Cumin blight can be effectively managed by tricyclazole. Alternaria burnsii is infected debris is seed and infected debris. Alternaria blight of cumin was first reported by Uppal. Blight of cumin caused by Alternaria alternata and Alternaria burnsii. Powdery mildew of cumin is caused by EDC species. Wilt pathogen of cumin is mainly seed-borne and soil-borne. Kolar rot disease of funnel is caused by Sclerotina sclerotirum. Development of small acid spot on leaves and stem is the characteristic features of Ramularia blight of funnel. Blight of funnel caused by all of them, Alternaria, Ramularia and Alternaria. Powdery mildew of funnel is caused by Levailua taurica. Protomyces macrospore is the causing which disease in coriander? Stem gall. Protomyces macrosporus can be effectively perculaceous chlamydospore. The formation of tumor like swelling of leaves when leaf stalk, peduncle stem as well as fruit are characteristic symptoms of stem gall. Fusarium oxysporium can perpetuate in all of the above seed, crop debris and soil. Ericife polygony is a causing powdery mildew of cumin and coriander. Stem gall of coriander is a seed-borne. Fusarium oxysporium is also persisted in a soil as chlamydospore. Purple blotch of onion and garlic can be controlled by all of the above. Seed treatment with thyrum, spraying of mancozeb, crop rotation with non-host crop plant. Garlic mosaic virus is transmitted by aphid. Red scale onion varieties is resistant to smudge. Onion rust fall in category of Russis otoceus. Coletotrichum circianus cause which disease in onion is smudge. Onion smudge disease is caused by Coletotrichum circianus. Neck rot of onion and garlic caused by Botrytis ellie. Purple blotch of onion is caused by Alternaria pori. The red scale onion varieties disease resistance due to presence of catechol and protocatechuic acid. Bacterial blight of cluster bean is caused by Xanthomonas campestris. Bacterial blight of cluster bean was first reported by M. K. Patel. The powdery mildew of cluster bean is caused by Levelia taurica. The mycelium of Levelia taurica is endophytic. Alternaria blight of cluster bean caused by Alternaria alternata. Xanthomonas exonopodos is the pathogen seed-borne. Blackening of leaf vein in cluster bean is the characteristic of bacterial blight. Bacterial blight of cluster bean can be managed by hot water treatment of seed with 56 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Acerbuli formed by fungus is Coleotrichum. Chili leaf curl is transmitted by whitefly. Causal organism of chili dieback produce which structure is Acervulus. Dieback cause symptoms necrosis in older branch from tip backward. Chili mosaic virus transmitted by aphid in non-persistent manner. Appearance of dark sunken ulcer-like lesion with pink center on fruit is the characteristic features caused by Colectotrichum capsicum. For soil solarization, with the 25 micrometer thick LLDPE polythene is used. Chili mosaic disease caused by all of the above: chili mosaic virus, cucumber mosaic virus, and tobacco mosaic virus. Chili leaf curl is caused by both of them: chili leaf curl virus, tobacco leaf curl virus. Damping of insolanaceae crop is caused by Pythium. Damping of disease in brinjal is caused by Pythium ephenidermatum. Which insect is transmitted little leaf in brinjal? Chacid. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by phytoplasma. Little leaf of brinjal transmitted by both A and B, Hicimois and Aposca. In India, Phomopsis blight of brinjal was first time reported in Gujarat state. Leaf curl disease suppressed the production of flower and fruit in brinjal. The pathogen is known as attack on brinjal only, no collateral host. As so far has been recorded as Phomopsis vexan, bacterial wilt of brinjal caused by uh, Burkholderia solanacearum, which race Rastrolleria solanacearum infecting various Solanaceae crop is race 1 and race 3 both. Little leaf of brinjal can be managed by yellow vein mosaic of okra transmitted by whitefly. Whitefly ને thrips બે આવશે. Yellow vein mosaic of okra is caused by Gemini virus. Root knot disease of okra can be effectively managed by carbonfuran. Which viral disease is devastating in okra is yellow mosaic. Vein clearing and vein chlorosis of leaves is the chief symptom of Bhindi yellow vein mosaic. Bhindi yellow vein mosaic virus can be survived in off season as all of the above: Alteta rosea, hibiscus and crotonma. Which stage Melanogyn incognita is effective? J2 stage. Which pesticide is commonly used to manage root knot nematodes? Carbonfuran. Leaf curl of tomato spread by whitefly. Wilt disease of tomato is caused by Fusarium oxysporium and Lycopersicum. A powdery mildew is caused by Levelulia taurica. Tomato spotted wilt virus is transmitted by thrips. Tomato leaf curl can be controlled by spraying trizophos. Ralstonia soleracearum cause wilting of tomato. Then covering tomato nursery with nylon net is followed for the tomato leaf curl. Palsteuria penetrans is used to biocontrol agent for nematode. Early blight of potato and tomato caused by Alternaria solani. Alternaria solani can infect Capsicum anum, Solanum tuberosanum and Lycopersicum esculentum. Next, appearance of circular, angular, dark brown, black spot with characteristic concentric ring is the characteristic of early blight of tomato. Potato leaf roll virus transmitted by Myzus persica was common scab of potato caused by actinomycete. Late blight of potato associated with iris famine. Late blight of potato was first introduced in hills in India is Nilgiri hills. Brown drink observed in potato under bacterial blight. In 1845, potato crop was destroyed in Ireland due to Phytophthora infestation. Common scab potato can be controlled by reducing pH. Is Streptomyces cabezi. Late blight of potato controlled by Bordeaux mixture. Black heart of potato occurring due to low oxygen. The term Phytophthora is a plant destroyer. Brown ring spot, disease of potato caused by bacteria. Black heart of potato, physiological disorder of potato. Source of primary infection for late blight of potato is infected tuber. Common scab potato can be measured by all of them. Green manuring use acidic fertilizer and organic matter. Seed plot technique adopted in produce seed disease-free seed of potato for આનું જોઈ લેશું એકવાર. Source of primary infection for brown rot of potato. Answer both of them, infected tuber and infected soil. Myzus persica can transmit potato leaf rot virus. Is persistent. In persistent potato leaf rot virus, tip and margin of leaf row upward direction. Seed treatment with 3% boric acid solution for 30 minutes is very effective to manage. Which crop? જોઈ લેશું. આમાં આન્સર ઠીક નથી. Strict domestic quarantine has been imposed to prevent the spread of wart of potato and golden cyst nematode. The Diploida rosarum cause which disease in rose? Diploida rosarum cause dieback. Black rot of rose is caused by Diplocarpon species. Drying of twig from tip to downward in rose caused by Diploida rosacea. Diploida rosacea persists in dead twig and stalk of a withered branch in the form of pycnidia. Powdery mildew of rose caused by Podospora penosa. Little blotch of chrysanthemum caused by Septoria chrysanthemella. Which one is the foliar pathogen? Septoria species. Septoria chrysanthemella survive in infected debris and soil as pycnidia. Stunting of chrysanthemum is caused by viroid. Stunting of chrysanthemum is caused by viroid. Downy mildew disease of cucurbit is caused by Pseudopornospora cubensis. Downy mildew first time recorded from Cuba in 1898. Which fungicide should not use for control of powdery mildew disease? In cucurbits. Cucurbits ની અંદર powdery mildew use ન થાય for control of. તો powdery mildew માટે normally sulfur નો use થાય છે પણ cucurbit માં ન થાય. Sulfur does not use. Mosaic disease of cucurbit can be transmitted through Myzus persica and Apis gossypi. Powdery mildew can be effectively controlled by wettable sulfur પર cucurbit માં ન નખાય. Cucurbit mosaic disease caused by cucumber mosaic virus 1. Powdery mildew of cucurbits is caused by Erisife and Specialotheca. Cucumber mosaic disease transmitted by insect vector. Anthracnose of beans is caused by Coleotrichum lindemuthium. Coleotrichum can perpetuate in both of them infected seed and infected plant debris. Powdery mildew of bean can be controlled by Erisife polygony and Leverillua taurica. Thank you.